So today's video is a recommendation video for a piece of kit that is almost like having a second pair of hands. So this is a dolly that's collapsible in the middle. You can see the two handles there, and it allows you to put it under one end of a heavy post or a beam, and then you pick up the other end and you just wheel it along like a trolley to where you need it to go when you haven't got that second person around. So highly recommend you get one of these. What they do is it's hinged in the middle. Let me just try and show you that. So it's hinged in the middle, and when you put the timber in it, it collapses, it sort of straddles, and the hinge comes up and allows it to lock in place if you're sitting it how I've got it sitting it, not flat. And then you just pick up the other end and wheel it. What the dolly doesn't do is allow you to stand the post up and hold it and all those other things that are required to brace it nice and plumb and true and all those things. So anyway, get yourself one of those if you are in a situation where you might be working alone temporarily. It's a great piece of kit to have and will get you out of trouble pretty much all the time, providing you're strong enough to pick up that end and then push it along and wheel it to where you need it to go. Anyway, that's it, and I'll see you in the next one.